Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Renee Roxanne. Today I'm going to be showing you how I obtain these luscious results by giving myself a detailed Dominican blowout, then stretching it further for longer lasting results with the thermal paddle brush from Babyliss Pro, and then styling my hair into pin curls. If you want to see how to get the same exact results at home with step-by-step instructions, stay tuned and let's get right into this video. My hair is freshly shampooed and deep conditioned, and I also rinsed with hair tea. I have my hair in 4 sections, and I'm going to put away the left side, and I'm starting with the right side first and putting away that top portion and working with the back. I have 2 different leave-in conditioners that I'm going to use because of their heat protectant purposes. One is the Fi Heat Hot Sauce, as well as It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. You can definitely just use one, but both of these work really great for my hair. I am smoothing and raking the product through the length of my hair until it is completely distributed. I am twisting the section all the way out to the ends and then wrapping it around itself and securing it. And then I'm going to apply these products to the other 3 sections. Once they're complete, I'm going to part out a small row in the back of my head to start blow drying. Make sure to detangle before you start heat stretching your hair. The setting of the blow dryer is on high speed, medium heat. Make sure to use a concentrator nozzle to help focus the heat in one location and to avoid any burns. I'm using mine without a concentrator because I don't have one, and it'll show you that you can still get great results without an attachment. To blow dry, I am keeping it at least 1 inch to 2 inches away from my hair. I am holding my hair stretched out all the way to the ends and keeping it taut while I continuously move the blow dryer around. This is just to help stretch and elongate the curls before I pull it through with a fine bristle brush. I do this first because I don't want the hairbrush with bristles to pull out any unnecessary hair. I'm using the Diane straightening brush that locks closed at the end to stretch my hair. This brush is made of ceramic plates that become warm, and it has vents for air to easily pass through. Once your hair is at its desired texture, go ahead and grab your hair at the root and start to roll it around between your fingers in one direction, like a coil, until it becomes nice and tight, and then you're going to wrap your hair around itself and continue to wrap your way down and secure the hair underneath. And now you can use a hairpin or a silver hair clip to keep it in place. Remember to keep the dryer at least 1 inch away from your hair and continuously move it around so that it doesn't create hot spots. If you want to see the entire Dominican blowout video, make sure to click the card above to get all of the details. All I'm doing is closing the hairbrush onto my hair and slowly gliding it down to the ends as I move the blow dryer around while stretching it smooth. Do at least 2 to 4 passes to get the hair as stretched as possible. Make sure to hit each section of hair with the cool shot button to get the hair to set and cool down. Now roll it, coil it, and Bantu knot it, and then secure it with a hairpin. If you're looking for a heatless curl, Bantu knots are definitely it. Now it's time to start in the back with the first Bantu knot section. As I unravel it, I know it's giving. This heatless style is in the blowout video, so be sure to check out how to get these Hollywood deep waves. I'm parting that section in half and putting away the top. The smaller the section, the better the results. I am smoothing the straightening brush through the hair a few times and then clamping it closed at the roots. Now place the thermal brush underneath the hair behind the brush for the first pass. Push the brush up into the hair so that the silver plates properly heat the hair. Now slowly and gently use the chase method to straighten the hair. That one pass is looking too good. Y'all, don't forget to apply another heat protectant. I know we used 2. That was only for blow drying. You should always apply more than 1 heat protectant when you're about to use another hot tool. I'm going to do a second pass by placing the thermal brush on top of my hair to make sure no strands were missed and that the hair ends are also straight. I added in the top portion of the section, spray it with heat protectant, brush to smooth and distribute the product. Now clamp the brush down at the roots and straighten first on the underside of the hair, slowly gliding the brush down the length of the hair. Then go ahead and re-clamp the hair again and apply the thermal brush on top of the hair, brushing all the way down to the ends. Now look at that body. That's what I'm talking about. I went ahead and finished up the rest of my hair. I just have this top section to show you all. And I'm applying that heat protectant, brushing to distribute, and then I am going to clamp the hair down and apply some heat. It's really not that difficult, just like straightening your hair except with a brush. So as you can see, I started doing it on top of the hair, then underneath. We are going to be pinning this hair. It doesn't really matter unless you're looking to wear your hair out like this and you want it bumped under or flipped out. Enjoy as I finish up this top portion on the right side. Y'all, look at this beautiful head of healthy hair I got on me. I'm so thankful to my parents and their blessings. This is such a great gift. But seriously, y'all, for just a blow dryer and a hot comb, this is giving silk press. I'm starting by parting out a small row of hair in the back. Smooth your hair free of any flyaways. With one hand above the other hand, hold the end of your hair between both of your thumbs and pointer fingers. Leave an inch of hair out at the end and use one thumb and one pointer finger to fold the end of that hair under itself. Hold it against the length of your hair and with both hands continue to roll up and grab, keeping both pointer fingers inside of the roll to hold the shape, while your thumbs continue to grab and secure the hair. Your pointer fingers can create a small hook to loop around the hair to keep it from slipping out. Once you get to the top, keep one finger in and take one finger out to secure your hairpins. Place a clip at the bottom of the roll against your scalp, going into the hole as well, and then place a pin on the other side, or you can place it on both sides, but do it at the scalp area at the top of the roll so that this side doesn't slip out. Part out another horizontal row in the back and put away the top half. So again, to create the pin curl, you're going to leave an inch of hair out at the end and grab the hair by your thumb and pointer fingers. With one hand, fold the end of hair, tuck it underneath itself, leaving an open hole to put both pointer fingers in, and then begin to grab and roll up with both thumbs and pointer fingers at the same time. So now take one hand out and place a hair clip underneath the roll and attach it to your scalp and into the hole, as well as a second hair clip on the other side at the root so that the hair doesn't slip out. Now making a vertical part by my ears. Now smooth it, fold it, tuck it, and roll it. Grab and roll until you get to the top. Leave one pointer finger in and take one out, and then secure the hair clips to your scalp. Your hair should look like there is a small little hair roller inside. I'm taking out a horizontal part for the back, and then the next two parts are going to be vertical. Continue to do the same technique by sticking your pointer fingers inside and grabbing and rolling up. Please make sure to drop any questions, comments, and concerns down in the comments below. I really tried to explain this as best as possible. Please be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you're the first to see when I post a new video. But for now, I'm going to continue to pin my hair. Enjoy as I finish her up. So y'all, this is the other side before I complete my hair. I just wanted to show you how much my hair has grown and how it's just been flourishing. And I'm so excited for what the end of this year is going to bring me, because it's going to be length and body, baby. Now let me pin up the rest of this hair. And this is 2 days later. Y'all have to check out the takedown to this pin curl set, because it is giving everything that I did not expect. 1940s, bad B, old money. I'm honestly so in love with this look that I could do it every single week. Girl, tap in. Click that card above or in the description box below so that you are the first to see when I post the takedown. Now, you will see me in the next video. Bye for now.